So today I'm going to teach you how you are going to claim 1 million Chihuahua swap tokens. Alright, so how you are going to claim 1 million Chihuahua swap tokens. It's a free airdrop as well. Alright, and this market is going to, and this token is going to hit market on PancakeSwap by November 1st, though there might be a delay because some of our previous airdrop they are delayed, but right now they now are like RHINEX, right? RHINEX, there was a delay before it hit the market, but now right now it's already on PancakeSwap. You can check right now. All right, so now what we do is just to go to the Telegram group. Then I'm going to post this information below this video on description section as well. All you need to do is just to copy this link right here. Okay, you can see a airdrop link. So all you need to do is just to copy the link. Once you copy the link, then the next thing you're gonna do is just to go to the dApp. All right, so you click on dApp. When you click on dApp, then drop the link right here. Drop the link right here. Okay, drop the link right here. Then you paste it right there. Then you click on this. So this is Chihuahua swap. All right, so this is Chihuahua swap. So you can go through this Chihuahua swap stuff. All right, so as you can see that they have 64 days to go for this airdrop to end. They're going to end the airdrop in the next 64 days. All right, so then Orbit listing after the pre-sales. Okay, then you can go to, you can check them. I can check everything about them. You then try to join their Telegram and the Twitter. All right, so that you'll be seeing some informations about them. So now we want to claim our airdrops. So the next thing you're gonna do right here is just to change Ethereum logo to Smart Chain logo. So it's loading. It's loading. All right, so now then I'm gonna click on claim Chihuahua. So you can see, so when you click on claim Chihuahua, then it asks you to connect. Then you connect. So it's loading. All right, so as you can see, you're gonna pay 0.25, right? You're gonna pay $0.25 as a transaction fee to claim this 1 million Chihuahua token, right? So then you click on approve. All right, so as you can see, we're gonna get a notification from Trust Wallet if the transaction has been successful. So you're gonna wait a bit to get a notification from Chihuahua. So then the next thing I'm gonna do right here while we're waiting for the notification, though it's not really necessary for you to wait for the notification, automatically the money must have been in your Trust Wallet, but you have to do another thing for you to see it. So then what you're gonna do right now is just to go back to the information. You're gonna see this information right inside my group. You go to the second link on this under this video on the description section. You're gonna see it on the second link. You're gonna see a link that you can use to join the Telegram group. All right, then the first link is going to be this link that you can use to claim your airdrop, right? So then what we're gonna do right now is just to copy this contract address. So that is the next thing they're gonna do right now. Then you take it back to the Trust Wallet, right? So then you're gonna close this. You're gonna come to wallet right here. Then you're gonna go to these two lines right here. Then you click on that two lines. Then you're gonna scroll down to till you see add custom token, right? Then you're gonna click on add custom token. Then you're gonna change this Ethereum to Smart Chain. Then you're gonna, as you can see, you got a notification for the successful, right? Then you're gonna paste the contract address right here. As you can see, this thing has populate right here. If it does not populate, what you need to do is just to copy the information right here. As you can see, the information is here, right here, but automatically it's supposed to populate, right? Then what you're gonna do next is just to click on the done right here. So when you click on done, then you're gonna see that you have been credited 1 million Chihuahua, right? So you will see that you have been credited 1 million Chihuahua. Then what you need to do next is just to wait till they hit the market. All right, you just need to wait till they hit the market. So by November 1st, this guy is gonna hit the market. November 1st, this guy is gonna hit the market, but we do not know the price that they want to hit the market, right? Let's check. You don't know the price that they want to hit the market. So all you need to do, if you want to know more about this token, all you need to do is just to, I join their Telegram group, join their Twitter as well, so that you'll be seeing different information about them, how it is going, when they're going to launch. You'll be seeing different information they post on their Telegram, right? So that is what I have for you guys here today. Then if you like, you can claim it. You can also invite someone. If you want to invite someone, what you're gonna do right here is just to paste your. You're gonna come to this place. You're gonna come here right here, then you're gonna come, let's say you not see it this way, you're gonna come right here. You can see Chihuahua, right? You're gonna come right here, you're gonna click on it, then you're gonna click on copy right here. Once you click on copy, then you're gonna come to DApp. That is if you want to invite others, you want to do the Rivera stuff. Then you can see, so you're gonna come to this place, then you're gonna paste your own, right? You're gonna paste your own. Once you paste on, then you're gonna come to this place, get your Rivera. So you're gonna click on get your Rivera, then you're gonna repaste that. So you're gonna repaste your wallet address, or your wallet address, and click on get referral. So you're gonna copy the link, then share it with your friends. That is how you're gonna do that. So by doing this, you're gonna earn more. All right, you're gonna earn more. You're gonna earn more. So before they get listed, so by the time they get listed, you see that you're gonna earn more instead of only what claimed. So that is what I have for you guys today. Thank you very much. If you are new to this channel, please, I want you to click on the subscription button, click on the notification bell, so that whenever I drop a free content like this, you'll be one of those that YouTube is going to notify that Adeyemi just dropped a new content on his channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video every time. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun. Bye.